Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from the MiniFig Club. So this is my second month subscription. It costs $12.99 a month. You do get free shipping. It drops down to $10.99 a month if you do the yearly plan, so I decided to sign up for that because I feel like it's a really good deal. You get 10 minifigure parts, an accessory pack, and a piece of the month. So this one is for April, so let's take a look at what's inside. Some information about their Facebook group. Storytime challenge, gamer theme. Cool. So here's our pack. We have a little special item, our pieces, and our accessories. They also give you a magnet and a sticker. And this is like a little bookmark. Looks like a Nintendo Switch. That's really cute. And it says April 2019 on there, so you know what month this bag is for. Also I gotta get mine out. You get a little postcard thing and you collect these, and once you fill it up, you get a prize. I don't know what that prize is because we haven't filled it up. This is only our second month, but I'll definitely fill you guys in at the end of what I get. And here's the little postcard. And just real quick, this is what the card looks like. So last month we did have the banana sticker. This one we have the gamer one, so I'll put that on there, and then we fill it up, mail it in. It's already filled out to them. Just put a stamp on it and you're good to go. So let's take a look at our pieces first. So you get enough to make 3 full minifigures, and then you'll have an extra leftover piece. So let me pull out all the chest pieces. Very unique ones. This one has an astronaut on it. Plain on the back. This one has a little floral design. And this one is like a doctor. It's got the little EMT logo, I guess. Can't remember the name of that specific logo, what the technical name is for it, but so we got those 3. Got some leg pieces. So we got black with a little bit of purple and white on the front. Short purple legs, little child legs. And then some white and black. Not sure if those are stormtrooper ones, but they kind of look like it. And then we got 4 head pieces. First one is a girl. Her lipstick. She also has an angry face on the back. This one's completely blank, so that could go under a helmet. Another girl with sunglasses. Looks like she has a little mole or freckle there on her, off to the side of her lip. Then a plain face. Very cool. And then some accessories. We have a spear, top part of a flag, and then a pole for the flag right there. Have a walkie-talkie, a witch hat, little flame piece, fireman's hat, blonde hair. That's kind of cool. A little serpent, and then a little megaphone. And lastly, we have our piece of the month. Let's see what it is. Oh, cool. It's a little mummy. We do have some pieces like that that came from Lego board games, but you can definitely use it as like a little baby mummy. Very cute. So I'll go ahead and make a little combinations of some of these, and I'll take pictures and insert at the end. If you guys want to try out the subscription, I'll leave all their information below. As always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.